Well, hello there, and welcome to studio vlog number 2, because I made one a long time ago and then just stopped making them. But anyways, today we are going to be replacing my desk. Here's my little desk, which I do love because it's cute. But as you can see, I work on like several projects at once, so it's getting a little cramped over here. So Fabian got me this new desk from IKEA. Ew. All right, we're gonna start putting it together after we eat. Okay, I just wanted to show you this for the sake of the irony, because I just had to organize these little drawers on my old desk right before finding this IKEA one. Also, I love my bedside table area right now because I finally got that framed. It's a print by Jared Maruyama of Epcot Things, which is the park I used to work at Disney. And it just goes so well with this new Bloomsbury set of Harry Potter books I got. So happy with all the colors. Oh, and this is my obscene amount of Tsum Tsums and a Neverland painting I did a while ago. I am now actually going to a ceramics class that I signed up for sporadically last night, and I'm a little bit nervous because I just haven't been in a classroom setting for years, which is kind of sad actually, because I really love learning and things like that. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna change into some clothes that I don't mind getting dirty and pack a bag now. Let's go. Okay, so I'm doing this little paper cut piece of Donald's house in Toontown, or Donald's boat. So each piece here I cut either with these little scissors or this guy. And now that everything's been cut, I'm just gonna have to glue it all down, and I think I'm gonna have it at different levels. I'll insert a picture of something I've done before in the same style, which was also a Toontown thing, the Roger Rabbit cartoon spin. Yeah, anyways, that's what I'll be doing now. Okay, interrupting the studio vlog because my package from Franner just arrived. I just ordered it like 3 days ago and it's already here. So, I'm very excited about it. Let's open it up. Oh, it's so cute. We Are Nice Humans is the name of her new brand with her husband, Ed. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I got stickers. Cool. Oh, I've seen these like in all her vlogs and stuff, but they're so cute in person, even cuter. Alright, this is the shirt I got. And I got a pack of her stickers and her zine called Perks of a New Body. Okay. There it is, the screen printed shirt. So she gets all these shirts secondhand and gives them a new life. I'm so excited for it. Oh, I'm gonna have to try it on. You look so official. She sewed those in. Ew, her handwriting. Ew. And then, let's look at this. These are the stickers that go with her planner, but I think I'm just going to stick them on everything. And this is the zine of hers I've been wanting for a while. Oh. Oops. Yay. So excited. It smells like what I imagine Brooklyn to smell like.
Because everyone wants to rock.